and David Lynch dying, it's such a loss to the cinematic community. Like I was so disturbed the morning I realized that he has passed away. Like it was my dream to one day make a movie which I can show to David Lynch.
Am I late again?
Oh, that's fine. We understand.
I'm sorry.
You know, traffic and all. We get it.
I mean, I've been waiting for 8 hours, but it's fine, I guess. Anyway, I have a whole idea in mind. But if I get...
Hi, Esther.
Hello. So we're like working on this film together for a class, and it's kind of mandatory. And I don't know these guys much, but they seem nice, and I'm choosing to work with them because I don't know. I think they're kind of passionate about filmmaking, and I hope I have a good time with them. I'm excited.
Oh, I'm sorry. What was the question again? Oh, yeah, of course. So I'm so excited about this movie, and I'm making it with my friends. So of course Wait, is that a dog?
I think it's such an amazing opportunity that we as undergraduate students are getting to make this movie at our age. Like I think cinema is such a beautiful outlet for art, and at our age we have these amazing ideas, and we obviously have the legacy of great filmmakers beyond us. And I think that I'm getting to make this movie with young people who are my age, who are brilliant about movies and stuff, and it's going to be so...
I'm just really glad to be having an opportunity to work on a film like this. And more than that, I'm just really grateful to have enough friends to do this with. And you know, it's fine. That was also one of my friends. But yeah, who knows? Maybe after this film, we'll win an Oscar.
Anyway, as I was saying...
You know what? Let's all pitch in our ideas. Aishani, what do you think?
Guys, I just came in, so I feel like I need to process this for a bit. Dinchan, what do you think?
Thank you so much. Anyway, as I was saying, I have this idea for the film.
Okay, so the camera is set. The first meeting for a film, guys.
Guys, what is this? We hardly have time. I gotta run. I have this thing. We have to focus, and all this can definitely wait for later.
अरे बट मार्केटिंग भी तो करनी है.
Okay, you know what?
Note down the points. Aishani, are you done processing?
I would have a comeback for that, except my processor is still processing. But yeah, I can note down the points.
Okay. Anyway, if everyone is settled down now, I had this concept where there's this person and they are dreaming and they're dreaming, and then they realize that they are dreaming is the original person who is dreaming is also dreaming, and then there are strangers in that dream who are also dreaming, and then this person realizes about the strangers in the dream. So it's a dream inside of a dream inside of a dream.
Isn't that the literal plot of Inception?
We're making a Christopher Nolan movie?
I mean, who knows, the next Christopher Nolan could be in this room right now. But like, I get your idea. It's really nice. How about instead of dream within a dream, we make a film about a person dreaming? How about no dreams at all? I like your vision as well.
Guys, what if we like make a film like dreams and like dreams.
We'll never know what that sentence meant.
Sometimes I'll start a sentence and I don't even know where it's going. I just hope to find it along the way. I just often don't, though.
I guess Aishani's sentences are the friends that we lose along the way in this journey called conversation.
Was that all you had to say?
What I mean to say is, I agree with Mahia and Esther.
Okay, cool, fine.
Okay, so for the marketing I was thinking we should
I think for now we should just focus on the film first.
Okay, cool, fine.
That was completely uncalled for, but okay, cool, fine.
Guys, I have an idea. What if we make a film about someone working towards their dream?
I thought we weren't doing dreams.
By dreams, I mean ambition.
Oh, interesting.
Okay. Can you elaborate though?
No, that's all I have.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is your next Christopher Nolan.
Guys.
What if we make this film on a college student who leaves her hometown for the first time for a big city, and we can show her tackling with homesickness, burnout, and most importantly, loneliness. We can show her struggling to make friends.
I mean, our generation is pretty lonely. I mean, our generation is either pretty or lonely.
So, are we going with this idea?
I think so, yeah. What do you mean that the lonely loser is a Nolan fan? I mean, it makes sense, doesn't it? Every Nolan fan is a lonely loser.
I mean, I am a loser and I'm lonely, but I'm not a Nolan fan.
I mean, that makes sense for all of you.
Oh my god, you would know about lonely losers, wouldn't you? You lonely loser!
Wow, that was low range, even for you.
What does that mean?
You always do this.
Oh my
Guys,
God.
start getting
Guys,
something.
stop.
Guys,
I
now
know
it's
you.
stop.
I know
This is
you.
my dream.
You.
You are really driven me to this point. Don't make me say the S word.
Oh, yeah, you scared, Maya? Are you scared? You scaredy cat?
I'm gonna say it.
Oh, Maya!
Don't say it.
Say it!
Maria, you did not have to go that far.
I was pushed. Us Nolan fans, if you prick us, do we not bleed? If you tickle us, do we not laugh? If you poison us, do we not die? And if you wrong us, shall we not take revenge?
Are you quoting Shakespeare?
Well, Esther, I don't know. Are Nolan and Shakespeare really that different?
Huh?
Look, I really am.
Or don't even try to scatter with the window, whatever it is you do. I don't understand why she has to be so mean to me. Oh, you're not coming to What?
Look, I would genuinely much rather be in bed right now. Okay, but we need to get this done with. So let's just make something for the sake of it. For the sake of submission, please. So that I can leave, okay? God.
Okay, cool, fine. Okay, cool, fine.
So, we failed that class.
After processing what happened, I have started to reconnect with nature. And I have much better friends now. We have crying sessions together without judgment. Finally feels like I'm healing.
I've been doing so much better without them, honestly. Like, I'm so sorry. I take cinema seriously. Anyway, I'm much better off than them, and I am going to meet Mr. Nolan now. He didn't invite me, but I found his address. There he is.
Bro, leave the film. Look at how many views on Marketing Blog. 3.4 million views, and I think our team did the best in marketing.
I've joined anger management classes and it's going pretty well. 2 months sober since I said the S word, so yeah. I just take all of my emotions and I bottle them up and they never come out. I've never been better. And about how things turned out, I guess Aishani's sentences weren't the only friends we lost along the way. गरम चाय की प्याली हो,
एक गरम चाय की प्याली हो, कोई उसको पिलाने वाली हो, चाहे गोरी हो या काली हो, सीने से लगाने वाली हो, मिल जाए तो मिट जाए हर गम। ताराराम पम पम, ताराराम पम पम, ताराराम पम पम, झिम पक पम, झिम पक पम, ताराराम पम पम।
Nether regions of its habitat, which is women's colleges, this dangerous creature lurks. Jesus and Mary College.
सुबह सुबह मैं निकलूं घर से चूम के उसकी आंखें, हर लम्हा बस याद करूं उसकी चाहत की बातें।